So you need to add a form to your WordPress site. Simple enough, right? Well, there are dozens of form builders out there, and most of them are either too complicated or create forms that just look bland. That's where Show Forms comes in. It's a WordPress form builder that gives you beautiful designs right out of the box, and it has AI to help you build complex forms quickly. Just describe your form and it will create a complete form within a few seconds. And it even includes conversational forms that keep your users actually engaged. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to create professional forms with Showform. Let's get started. And before moving forward, hit that subscribe button so you won't miss amazing tutorials like this. Okay, so let's get started. I have a ready-made website over here, John's Plumbing Services. I have created this website using Astra and their AI website builder. And now I'll show you how you can easily use Showform to create amazing forms that you can use on any kind of website. To do that, log into your WordPress dashboard, go to plugins and click on add new or add plugin, and here you will search and we have our plugin right here. 300,000 plus active installs with an amazing rating. Click on install and then just click on activate. After activating the plugin, you will see show form tab over here. Just click this tab and you will be redirected to their welcome screen. Click on let's get started. And the amazing feature I want to highlight of this plugin is their AI form builder. Just like their AI website builder, they have created an amazing feature to let you describe your form and then it will create all of the required fields depending on your description. And to use this AI builder, you need to connect with their service. Click on connect. You can create your free account. Just click on login with Google or you can log in with email. I'll use my Gmail account. Once you have logged in, it will ask you to connect your website with Show Forms. Click connect and there you go. It will optionally ask you to install Show Mails, so your emails will be delivered to the inboxes, because out of the box WordPress default emails tend to go to spam folder. I'll just skip this one for the sake of this video tutorial. And now you can see AI form generation is free activated, and you can also view the submissions in your WordPress dashboard. And there are a couple of features that are available only in the premium version, like advanced fields, conversational forms, user registration, and login forms. Just click on next and you are all set. And now this is the amazing AI form builder dashboard. Just describe your form like I have a local business website, John's Plumbing, and John offers plumbing services in his local area. So I'll just describe. Okay, I have described my form in plain English. You can also turn on some options, like if you want to collect payments, you want to add some calculations, or you want to make this a conversational form. You can also use this voice input to describe your form with voice. Okay, just click on generate and see its magic. It will create a complete form in a couple of seconds. Okay, here we go. After creating the form, it will redirect you to the editing screen. And the amazing thing about this plugin is that it takes you to the default Gutenberg dashboard. It uses the WordPress block editor to let you customize or your form, or you want to create new forms. You can use this block editor from WordPress that you are already familiar with. Okay, now you can see it amazingly creates all of the required fields just like I wanted, like full name, email address, phone number, and it automatically make the fields required depending on the situation. And you can see additional notes field is not required, or it's optional. So now if you want to customize any field, you can just click on it and you will see its options right over here. Like if you want to set a default value, you want to check for input patterns that is usually applied on email or phone numbers, and then you can go to advanced, and the conditional logic is offered in the premium version, and there you go. We have all of the basic fields or options to customize the inputs. Okay, each field will have some common settings and additional settings depending on the type of field. Like if you want to make this field a unique entry, that you can do as well. Like if you don't want a person to submit multiple forms from the same number, you can set this to the unique entry. And then here is your select field. You can adjust the values, and you can see it amazingly creates the proper options that a plumbing service form needs or should have, like repair, pipe installation, drain cleaning, other, and you can add in your values over here. You can also drag the field to arrange them however you like. And instead of additional notes, I'll just delete this one. I'll add a new text field, and I'll call this okay. And you can turn on or off if this field is required. Okay, then you can place this field anywhere you like on your form. Okay, now there are a couple of other field types available over here that you can add as per your requirement. You can also click on this plus icon to add blocks from your from WordPress blocks or widgets library. Once you are done, just click publish and publish. There are some other settings, like you can use labels as placeholders. Instead of showing labels on top of the fields, you can show them inside the inputs. Just click on save once you are done. You can also click on this instant form button to turn this into an instant form. You can turn on the preview option to see how exactly it looks. And you can set some other settings like show title. You can set your logo if you want. You can change the banner background. You can use banner as page background. You can adjust the form width, and you can copy this URL to directly access this form. I want to access it, I will click over here. I will enter this URL, and you can see this is how your form will look. You can also adjust the form styling from the styles tab. Form theme is limited to the pro version, and then there are some styling options that you can use to customize your form as per your requirement. You can adjust the field sizing, you can adjust the button, And you can additionally add some CSS classes if you want to apply some custom CSS to this form. And then finally you can click on this single form settings that will open further settings for this form, like the email notifications and the form confirmation message and spam protection. You should add reCAPTCHA keys to the form to avoid bot submissions. And then you can navigate to the integrations tab to connect or add some integrations, third-party integrations, but you will need Showform Pro for that. You can also generate PDF in the Pro version, and there are some advanced settings, like if you want to restrict the number of entries, you can add a compliance settings for GDPR, and you can turn this form into a user registration form in the Pro version, or use the post feed feature. And there are automations that you can perform using the automation plugin. Just click on install and activate, and it will install AutoKit plugin that will help you create amazing automations for your form. And here you can input some custom CSS if you want to add to that form. Okay, once done, just click close and hit save changes. And clicking this icon will redirect you to the forms screen, where you can see all of your forms listed here. When you install the plugin, it automatically creates a simple contact form that you can use if you like. And here is our newly created forms shortcode. Just copy this and navigate to the page that you want to edit. In this case, I want to display this form on the home page. I'll edit the page. It has also built using Gutenberg or the block editor of WordPress, and I want to display the form over here. Remove the text, and I turn this or transform this block to columns, and I'll add in a new block. I select shortcode and I paste my shortcode over here, and I'll just delete the heading. Okay, now let's save and see how it looks. Okay, it definitely needs some adjustments like padding or changing the background color. So I'll edit this form and navigate to the styles tab, and I set the background color to transparent. Let's save. Okay, the background color is gone. Now I need to adjust the form styling. Okay, it looks much better. You can also use colors from your theme presets. It definitely needs some padding and some border radius. Okay, this looks nice. Okay, there is one more thing remaining that I have noticed, that this form has some gap between the individual items or containers. Let me just select this form's container, which is SR form, and I'll navigate to the advanced settings, go to the custom CSS, and this CSS will be applied to the form container, and I'll just set the gap to 0 pixels, and to just make sure I'll use an important so it overrides the theme styles. Okay, let me just reload this one, and there you go, the form is now more compact. Let's try setting the button alignment to full width, and there you go. Let's try changing the primary color. It will change the color of your button. Okay, I think now it looks perfect. And now John has a working or functional form on his website that the visitors can use to contact John, and we have created this form within a few minutes with the help of their AI builder. If we were to create this whole form, it would have taken us a lot more time in creating the fields and their values. But Showform's AI builder helped us create an amazing contact form within a few minutes. And then you can navigate to the entries tab to see your submissions over here. Once someone submits the form, the entry will be added over here. Let me just submit this form. Okay, great. The form is submitted, and a beautiful thank you message is displayed over here that you can customize from the form settings. Now I'll just reload this entries tab and see we have a new booking entry over here that you can view clicking on the entry link, and you can see all of the information is available over here. And then you can also navigate to the settings over here to further customize the settings of your forms, like enabling email summaries, enable IP logging. You can adjust or customize the form validation messages, and you can also add in your reCAPTCHA keys over here to protect your form from bot submissions. You can also use HCAPTCHA, you can also use Turnstile, and you can also use Honeypot. And then you can also connect with Stripe to accept payments using Show Form. And finally, in the SMTP tab, it will ask you to install Show SMTP or Show Mail, which will help you reduce spam rates of your emails that are sent to the recipients or the people who are submitting the form, or even notifications to the admin emails. Learn more about the SMTP settings or the Show Mail plugin. Just watch this video from Adam. And this brings our video tutorial to the conclusion. And before ending, let me quickly install Showforms Pro plugin and give you an overview of the Pro features that will be unlocked after installing the Showform Premium plugin. Okay, after installing the premium plugin, you will add in your license key over here to get support and automated updates of the Showform Pro plugin. And now you will see all of the other options are unlocked, like integrations, so you can add in some amazing integrations from here. Like if you want to connect your form with third-party services like Fluent CRM, ActiveCampaign, your favorite subscriber management service like Brevo, Breeze, and a lot more. Now you can add in integrations to your forms, and then you can also create login and registration forms and replace that default boring WordPress login and sign up screen with a custom login or sign up form. And now if you go to the forms and just edit any form, you will see a lot more options like themes. You can set a custom theme or you can use a show forms default theme, and then you can adjust other settings. Now you can turn on the PDF. To get the PDF integration, you need to just click on the get resources, and then you can click on add new, and you can create your PDF templates, and you can use the form fields over here to fetch their values. And now you can also use the post feed feature, which will let you create WordPress posts from front end using the show form. You can create your own custom forms to submit posts from front end, or you can let the users submit guest posts to your blog. Okay, that's it for now, and I hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and I'm sure Showform will help you create amazing forms for your WordPress websites, blogs, and anything in between. By the time you're watching this video, the Black Friday sale is on with up to 40% discount with a lifetime deal option. You'll get the business license in just $600, and you can use this license on up to 1000 websites. You can also start with a starter plan, but I highly recommend getting this business plan because they'll probably discontinue the lifetime deals by the next year. So if you have enjoyed watching this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss amazing videos like this. So happy building with Showforms, and I'll see you in the next one.